So I've ground back some of these welds now. I noticed in the last video as well I got too close and couldn't focus, so hopefully that's a bit of a better focus. But yeah, so I've ground back some of these welds as best I can to get the grinder in. Obviously it's quite tight and fiddly, so I've done a bit of a tidying up. These ones across the top here, these ones, that first one was alright, that one needs rejigging, and as you can see there's a few holes and stuff there, so I'm going to go over that one. These other ones weren't too bad. That one obviously needed taking back, and the other ones you can sort of see, hopefully if you can get the reflection right, you can sort of see they've taken okay. You've sort of got penetration in that, I think. So I don't think they were too bad, they just didn't look good. But anyway, tidied them up a bit, so I'm going to give this one down here another go over, and these ones on this bracket here I'm going to give them a go over, and there's two that I need to get in there in the left hand edge there, as you can see the markings, so I'll go over them. That one there needs a little bit extra, you can see it should have come to here, and this one here is about the same. In fact, I'll measure them actually, they don't look like they should be. I wonder if they were where I've got the markings slightly wrong, but I'll measure them up. So the plan up here that we've got from an old manual was a 60mm gap with a 30mm stitch, so I'll measure them up and see if they look alright. We'll leave them. So yeah, let's get to work on these, try and tidy this up a bit. So we've got everything set here now. I'm going to dial up the voltage to we'll go up to 5, and I'll redo this bottom weld, see how that takes. If that works, this metal here is a little bit thicker than this, so I'll take that up probably to 6. I'll try it on 6 and see if I can get these two bottom welds looking neater than they are. Okay, so we'll go 5, and I'm going to keep the wire speed at 4, see how that works. It's a little bit better than it was. Let's try putting it on 6, and I'm just going to put a tack on there. I mean, it's on. It ain't going anywhere, is it? Don't know. I think it is. I'm still getting the same pitting that I was on the ones up the top here. So let's give this one a try. It's a little better. That's probably just mucky, isn't it? Did have a wire brush around here somewhere. Let's see how we can get the let's have a think. See if we can get these two down the side here. Can we get my finger in there? Give that a clean up. We need to move this. Yeah, that's not sounded healthy, is it? Yeah, but it's not too bad. We need to get the angle right. Okay, so you can see there that the bit that I've done on the bottom looks a little bit neater, and then up the side there is a little bit neater. It looks a bit mucky because we had a small flame there. I think it's created a bit of gunk, and then I filled the hole over. It did blow through right at the bottom, so I filled that over. But then this one over here, the bottom, that sort of looks a little bit better, so I think I'm along the right track. I think, oh, he says throwing his phone on the floor. Yeah, I think I'm along the right track with voltage, and I just need to maybe play with gas. Maybe get some mixed gas. We'll see how the rest of it goes. Just had a bit of a break there and had a quick look online. It could be that we've just got some gunk in there, which is what caused the blow through. Obviously it's really hard to get these engine bays perfectly clean, so looking at it, it's one of them things, just going to get some blow through. So I'm just going to give this bottom bit a try. Again, got the voltage up to 6 and the wire speed set at 4 still. Just going to give that one a try and see what it looks like. Give it a quick going at with the wire brush. Again, really close to some seam sealer. There's not really much I can do. But yeah, it's done. That'll do.